Okay, 4. Name this node greetings. We want it to be executed when the greetings intent is detected. So under if assistant recognize, enter the greetings intent, like this here. Autocomplete will help you find the intent. It is worth noting that you can make the condition of a node as complex or as simple as you'd like. You can use alias and alias to make the condition more complex. We don't want this here, but if you wanted to execute a node if the intent detected was either greetings or goodbyes, we could simply type greetings or goodbyes in the node condition and then enter appropriate responses like this. The scenario we are handling here is one in which we already greeted the user without prompt and they replied with a greeting, so we should greet them back without repeating the prompt verbatim. Okay, so enter a few responses to offer some variation. If we get a greeting happy user, examples could be like this. But normally, I'd advise against open-ended questions such as how can I help you? But since we already qualify the scope of the chatbot in our prompt, we can get away with it here. And then you can leave the response variation set to sequential or set them to random if you prefer. Like this. The third option, multi-line, this one, it's not applicable here, as it would provide a response over multiple lines using each response you wrote as its own line, de facto asking the user 3 variations of how can I help you all at once. Okay. This is what the node will look like if you followed each step correctly. Then the assistant should section at the bottom of the node. Here defines what happens after this node has been executed and a response was given to the user. In the case of this node, after we responded to the user, we expect them to enter some more questions, so you can also wait for reply as the final action for this node. Right, close the node and open the try panel. Click the clear link. To start a new conversation. Okay, try to reply, hi. There's some error. Okay. Alright, I think I fixed the problem. There was some kind of errors with the server. Okay, when I enter hi, then you can see hi there, how can I help you? Or when I enter this, then hello, how may I assist you today? Or when I enter hi, what can I help you with? Or when I enter hi, wait for reply like this. Done? Yeah. So if you see a proper response like this, congratulations, you just had your first conversation with our chatbot. It's not a complex interaction, but it's a good start. Whoa! You can now close the Try It Out panel. Now, we need to repeat the process to handle the scenario in which our user thanks us and the thank you intent is detected. What we want to do is create a new node inside of the Chit Chat folder. Click on the More option menus. Here, the 3 vertical dot. Right? Icon that is for the greetings node. And then click Add Node below. Here. Add node below. Okay. Or no, delete this one. Add node below. Anything else? Okay. Then this will create an empty peer node below greetings. The order of these Chit Chat nodes is not that important because they are all simple nodes with independent intents. However, the order can matter in more complex scenarios, as we will see in a moment. It also makes sense to place them in a logical manner that is roughly equivalent to how a normal conversation would go. Greetings first, thanks in the middle, and goodbyes at the end. Go ahead and make this node handle the thank you intent. This was right. Add a node below. Right? Thank you. Thank you. Alright. You can name it whatever you like, but thank you will do. For this response, you likely want something like you're welcome. Please let me know if you need anything else, or my pleasure, or no problem. Let me know if there is anything else I can help with. Or you could get cheeky and add like I aim to please, depending of course on how much personality you'd like to inject in your chatbot. By the way, yes, emojis are supported. Set the response variation to random by clicking on the random link. Right? And repeat the process by adding a goodbyes node that handles the goodbyes intent. This time, make sure you use the thank you node more options menu to select add and node below. Right here. since we want this third note to go below thank you, for now, you can use standard polite goodbye responses, such as nice talking you today, like that. Okay. Anyway, here, goodbye, goodbyes. Goodbyes. Here. What about this? We need to add thank you. No. Yeah. Let me see. Thank you. Here. Add this thing. Okay. And this one too. Goodbyes. Alright. And we can add something. Nice talking to you. Today. Or have a nice day. Or goodbye. Yeah, we'll improve these later on in the course. Finally, set their order to random. Okay. Start a new conversation in the try it out panel. And test all three intents to ensure you get a proper response in each case. Okay, I will enter. I will type in hi. Hi there, how can I help you? And thanks. I aim to please. Alright. Bye now. Oh, bye now. No. Oh, okay. Goodbyes. Goodbye. Nice talking to you today, like this. Right? Okay.